He was arraigned on March 2nd. I'm now sitting here a month later and no discovery's been picked up. Nobody's working on his case. Counsel, that's not how law is practiced. You're right.
Course on even right.
Court calls the case of people versus Corey Jones. Basis. Sit down.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Edward Lucas on behalf of Corey Jones in 1318.
Good afternoon, Judge James Murray, P 5490, appearing on behalf of Mr. Jones on the subsequent matter.
All right, what are we doing?
Now, today,
Your motion.
great. This is the time for my motion to withdraw. First of all, I want to apologize for inconvenience of court. If so, I have talked to mom. Well, actually, I was in contact with Mr. Jones's mother for the matter that brother counsel is on now. They were saying me on such matter. In the middle of negotiations for such case, he was arraigned on this new matter. In the rush and the haste of attempting to get off that case to make sure the arraignment went successful, failed to put limited on my appearance for the arraignment purposes.
All right, guys, this story doesn't start quietly. It explodes into attention, and at the center of it all stands Ilhan Omar. From the very first moment, Ilhan Omar becomes the name that dominates every conversation, every headline, every heated debate. There's no avoiding it. Ilhan Omar is everywhere, shaping the narrative with a presence that feels both powerful and controversial. People aren't just watching. They're reacting, and Ilhan Omar is the reason why. Her words, her actions, her stance, they don't just pass by unnoticed, they ignite. And as this unfolds, it becomes clear that Ilhan Omar is not just part of the story. Ilhan Omar is the story. Every angle, every perspective somehow circles back to Ilhan Omar. The intensity rises, and Ilhan Omar remains firmly at the center of it all.
Third party discussions with mom, she had decided to go in a different direction. So with that being said, I would ask that my motion.
No, but your motion says that the relationship between you and Mr. Jones broke down.
Correct.
Okay, but that's not what you just told me.
So to flesh it out more, I was speaking to Mr. Jones on behalf through his mother. His mother was the one who went through it. His mother reached out to me. His mother kind of did all the contacts. Mr. Jones has been incarcerated in Washington so far.
I know, but I'm trying to figure out what's the basis of your motion to withdraw.
The basis of the motion is that I was engaged by Mr. Jones's mother prior to the arraignment. She does not want to proceed with me as counsel.
Why didn't you say that in the motion? I guess because all this has done is delay Mr. Jones's matter. I just
understood, Your Honor. I do apologize for the inconvenience.
Well, it's not just apologizing to me, it's Mr. Jones. I mean, I'm trying to, he's got a right to have his matter proceed forth, and now, Mr. Jones, what do you want me to do? You know? My Lord. Yeah. Grab that motion. Yes, Senator.
Yes.
Mr. Jerkins, on your matter, what are you doing?
Your Honor,
As the timeline moves forward, the spotlight doesn't fade. It sharpens, locking directly onto Ilhan Omar. There's a growing tension, a sense that everything is building towards something bigger. And again, Ilhan Omar is at the core of it. Critics speak louder, supporters push back harder. But no matter the side, Ilhan Omar's name refuses to leave the conversation. It's relentless. The energy surrounding Ilhan Omar becomes almost electric, pulling in attention from every direction. Every statement tied to Ilhan Omar feels like it carries weight, like it could shift the entire tone of the situation. And as voices grow stronger, the presence of Ilhan Omar becomes impossible to ignore. This is no longer just discussion. This is a full-scale narrative driven by Ilhan Omar.
my case is a fleeing matter. The other matter
I'm sorry.
is that just a fleeing case?
Yeah, but you don't have to take the baby out. That's what you're trying to do. I like hearing babies more than I do attorneys. You're all right. Okay. Thank you though for having that consideration. You're good.
And I believe it's a 15-year max on one of the felonies in the other matter. So I think that I don't have that report. I don't know much about it at this time.
Has the discovery been set? I mean, where is his case at this point?
I have not received discovery on this matter.
Pardon?
I have not received discovery on this matter.
Yes. While in our office, I do have the discovery in our file media. But I'm not sure.
He was arraigned on March 2nd. And so nobody's been working on his case since?
The arraignment for, let me just clarify, for the case ending in,
The one you entered an appearance on. He was arraigned on March 2nd. I'm now sitting here a month later and no discovery's been picked up. Nobody's working on his case. Counsel, that's not how law is practiced. Ever. And certainly not here in Washtenaw County. If you were going to withdraw, then you go ahead and you get the evidence. At least then when new counsel steps in, you can turn it over to them. But you don't do this way. You don't